guys. Okay, so I'm talking quietly because it's 5:30 in the morning and I haven't gone to bed yet and I don't want to wake other people up. So I hope that you can hear me, and for my punishment for being such a horrible angel lately, I've got all of the ice cream that I own in this bowl and I'm going to melt it in the microwave to speed things up because this is just going to be a direct upload. And then we're going to get a little bit silly. See this? Best friend for all-nighters. The ice cream is melted. Let's check in. Okay, that's the best that I can do right now. You're lucky I'm making a video. See you tomorrow, Clive. Or today. I don't even know what day it is.